Who's in the house? We got D-Side in the house. And when D-Side in the house, we gonna rock it all the way down. Let's jump right in like the wildest find. Starting off, we're going to section the hair about 3 rows up at a time to make the blow drying process more easy. Then we're going to twist the hair up to get it out of our way and apply our olive oil heat protecting serum. When brushing the hair, I like to brush from tip to root to prevent the hair from shedding. I use a Denman brush to prevent the hair from tangling during the blow drying process, and it also leaves the hair with a silky finish. We're going to section off about 3 more wefts of hair and repeat the same process. Here, I am demonstrating a tip on how to get your wig completely dry. By focusing the heat towards the weft, this ensures that the cap and weft are dry, which will prevent the hair from having an odor and reverting back to its natural state. Then, we can proceed to blow dry the strands of our hair so that every part of our wig is dry. I will not blow dry the last section. Please be sure to tune in to part 3 to see why. This brings us to the end of part 2. I showed you how to wash your hair, blow dry your hair, and you better come back and see how to style your hair. You think I'm finna show you how to wash your hair, how to blow dry your hair, and you're not gonna watch my part 3? You think you're gonna take my tips, my advice, and go to somebody else's channel? No, ma'am. You gonna like this video, you gonna subscribe, and you gonna hit that bell. You gonna come back, or I'm gonna find you. Simple.
Heard the feds came through and picked what's the name up. Nigga got some new friends, then the nigga got bust. I don't speak to these niggas, won't need say what's up. If a nigga try to play me, then the nigga getting bust. All my young niggas got pistols on tuck. Ride through the city with some bang in the trunk. Used to hit the road with some things in the trunk. 3-way from the state that know my name in the junk. See me in the end, renting fish bowl, not tinted. Try wide open like IHOP and Dennis. Send her back to you soon as I get finished. Got all type of bread like Subway and Lennox. Stay talking money, can't know I got plenty. Got a number, then use it, a nigga too picky. Nigga know the game like I'm George, I can Kenny. It's a foreign out of here and pull up 750.